Hello, I'm going to explain rule tiles in Unity because they're pretty cool. So normally when you're building a map, you'd have to click on the tile and paint it like this. But the thing is, it looks pretty ugly like this. So then you'd have to choose the tile manually and kind of edit it yourself manually to make it look cohesive. And that's just too much work. And that's where rule tiles come in. And so a rule tile is basically you have one tile and it has a bunch of rules inside that tile so that when you paint that tile, it will make it pretty for you like that. This is really good for scaling your game because once you get to bigger maps, you can start to just build the maps without having to worry about your map looking really ugly. There you go. Rule tiles are also really cool for randomizing your map. So basically you can see here in the dirt there are different types of rock tiles that you can have, and also right here where it changes from dirt to grass block. And you can set up all the rules in the inspector tab in your rule tile object. So you can see here this is our dirt block, and I have it set to random as the output so that it chooses a random tile out of this list and place it randomly based on this slider here. I also put the parameter in the shuffle so that it randomly rotates it as well. When I change this slider, it will also change how random it is or uniform the randomization is. So you can see while I'm moving it, it also changes it. And I thought it was really cool, so I'm sharing it. There you go.